Hello everyone, this is my campaign summary. I'm Arturo Pavon and I hope you enjoy it. This is my overview for my campaign. I worked really hard on creating content for people who are looking for date ideas, how to find board games at a good price, and especially during this COVID times, I'm pretty sure many of us were affected by this, and I think the content of the topic was pretty straight pointed for them. This is my target persona, and we feel and I feel during my content creation I was able to accomplish that goal and also meet their necessities and the type of content they were interested about. um, this is an example of the new lessors that I created during the semesters, so I was happy some of you were able to subscribe and follow some of my content and the blogs that I was creating. This is the podcast, which was a really good opportunity for me to go out there and express more a little bit of the passions that we have about board games in my family and especially with my wife. And here's the social media where we were able also to reach some of these audiences. And the reason behind the design is just to make it seem appealing and very much a family friendly blog and social media. And you can see the videos right here, the animations we created, and the videos we share on our social media also were targeted to be fun and instructive about some board games and things that we share every week in our blog. And here's the blog where I was able to improve my writing skills and share more content that I was passionate about. And I was trying to make it clean and very simple to follow. So this is the metrics that I based myself and at the beginning of the semester, and I think we accomplished the subscribers. Um, I, I feel we did a pretty good job trying to um, create a good environment for my audience and deliver the content that it was really special for them and that they got engaged and involved in many of these posts that I created. And thank you for watching, and thanks for watching my summary of this campaign and the results.